I just did my makeup.
I don't think it's there.
Thank you. There.
Christmas tree.
I finally got my balikbayan box.
Honestly, it's never been.
Hi guys, good morning. It's me again, and we're a little bit haggard today. I haven't fully dried my hair. I just did my makeup. I showered. Today I'm going to our class Christmas party, so I'm really excited about that. And yeah, I am running late. I literally have less than 10 minutes to spare, so I'm just gonna be quick. I'm just opening this video to say welcome to another Vlogmas episode. I feel like this will be very disorganized. I'm just gonna insert all the clips of my Christmas parties and some Christmassy things that I've done throughout the week, so bear with me. I hope you enjoy, and let's go. Ready? Cheers to shorter assessment.
For the fun that you gave, for the support you gave each other, nurturing advice that you provided to each other, and just by being here, it helps. I believe helped your classmates, and it helped me as well in getting through the year. I'm gonna put this one in
sweaters bundled up in cotton, knowing names that wouldn't be forgotten, laughing over our own sense of humor underneath the Christmas lights that glow. I'm glad I got to know you better.
I don't think it's there.
Thanks for my secret Santa. Guys, I'm finally getting a balikbayan box. So I was gonna go for LBC because that was what I got for 2 years, and then I got a 4X balikbayan box, and the 4X was really small, so I thought I'd go back to LBC. LBC though takes really long time, but my godmother just called me this morning, and then she told me that BM Express is actually the biggest box. It doesn't really take a long time. It arrives in the Philippines really quick, so we'll try that box. I called the shop and they said they do have BM Express boxes, so that's where I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna get those boxes. One for me and one for Queenie because she said she wanted one too. So I can start packing my balikbayan box. I can show you some stuff that I got. Probably not today though, because I have a lot on my plate today. I'm gonna go to a Christmas party later around 5:30 p.m. So yeah, right now it's 1:25. Also, it's summer here and I love it.
Would have known I would have made my best friend on that night, under 1,000 Christmas lights.
They're huge. Hi. Afternoon. Okay guys, I finally got my balikbayan box, so that's good news. It's really hot outside, but still a summer girl. I love the summer weather. So I got my box, which is a yay for us. I'm gonna start packing that maybe in the next few days. I'll put in the stuff that I bought. Anyway, I'm gonna start packing that, but for now I have to go out. I'm gonna buy cheesecake for our Christmas party, our Filipino Christmas party at work. So the Filipinos who were working in my facility have organized like a little party for us. So we're just bringing food for everyone. Like each of us will bring something. So I'm gonna go get cheesecake and then I'm gonna quickly shower and prepare for the party because we're going there around 5:30 or something. Tiny's gonna pick me up. Tiny's my co-worker who I really love. So pretty. How pretty are they? Guys, I've got my cheesecake. And I just got the American baked cheesecake. That's one of their best sellers. Okay, by the way, you guys, this is our cake. I'll show you. Okay. Ta-da! She's so pretty and definitely yummy. Okay, Tiny's on her way. Let me just turn this off. Oh. Okay, my workmate's on her way. This is just the fit for today. Show you. Here you go.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what
Hayop? Hindi. Bagay?
Ready ka na
Lugar?
Hindi.
Ano ba ito, sis? Kailangan ko ba ito araw-araw?
Hindi.
Pwede!
Di marunong yung partner ko.
Binash mo pa ako. Binash mo pa ako ah. Ganyan oh.
Nagagamit ko ba ito?
Galing doon.
Galing doon. Kotse? Ulan? Oh! May limang game pa dyan? Ulit tayo dyan.
Sabay sayaw! Have you...
just what you mean. Oh, Christmas tree. Honestly, it's never been much about me. Don't get me
Hip-hoppers pala.
Saan ka pa?
Don't get me wrong, I think more than anything